Hello again and welcome back. In this video, we'll be going over how to calculate your macronutrient needs. You learned how to calculate the total number of calories you need based on your age, gender, current weight, height, and physical activity. That number helps you decide on a meal plan. There are plenty of apps out there that will calculate your macronutrients, lipids, carbohydrates, and protein. But where do they get that number? Let's calculate that right now. Let's pretend that you currently need 1,800 calories per day to maintain your current weight. How can that be broken down? We know that the acceptable macronutrient distribution range, or AMDR, is as follows. Carbohydrates, 45% to 65%. Lipids, 20% to 35%. Protein, 10% to 35%. From those ranges, let's choose the following. Carbohydrates, 50%. Lipids, 20%. Protein, 30%. Notice how these equal 100%. Just remember, these are ranges and can be different based on your own needs and preferences. This means we want carbohydrates to make up 50% of your calories, lipids to make up 20%, and protein to make up the final 30%. For carbohydrates, take the total number of calories needed, 1,800, and multiply that by 50%, or 0.50. So, we will need 900 calories a day from carbohydrates. For lipids or fats, do the same. 1,800 times 0.20 equals 360. So you will need 360 calories a day from fats. And the same for protein. 1,800 times 0.30 equals 540. So we will need 540 calories a day from protein. Just to recap, 900 plus 360 plus 540 equals 1,800 calories. But we aren't finished. We have to convert those calories into grams. Recall how each gram of carbohydrate and protein has 4 calories per gram. Fat gives us 9 calories per gram. So divide the 900 calories from carbohydrates by 4 to get 225. That's 225 grams a day from carbohydrates. For lipids, divide the total number of calories by 9. 360 divided by 9 equals 40. You need 40 grams of lipids per day. For proteins, we divide 540 by 4, which equals 135. That's 135 grams a day of protein. To recap, we'll need 225 grams of carbohydrates, 40 grams of lipids, and 135 grams of protein. Now comes the fun part of getting to decide where those macronutrients will come from. Make sure you include some of each nutrient at each meal. And don't forget to drink your water. Thanks for watching. See you next time.